Welcome to the French Drain Man channel. I'm Robert Sherwood, and I wanted to talk about the high water here in Michigan. It's absolutely record highs. Never been this high before. It's displacing families from their homes. It's just an absolute nightmare. We have a system that can pump the water back out into the lake as fast as the lake can bring it into your yard. So I look forward to showing these systems in the future, but I want everybody here in Michigan that lives on Lake St. Clair to know we're here for you. We are installing these systems, and we're doing it year-round because these are 911 situations. When this lake gets angry and the water's already coming over the seawall, and it's already up to the top of the seawall, and you got 5-foot waves, I mean, it is just an absolute nightmare. So there is help, there is a solution, and we're here for you. All right, everybody. Until that next video,